you're stuttering on the mic. You sound on the headsets for some odd reason. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with that.
Right.
All right. Well, you know what? I said let's go ahead and start this up, hang up, and pray to God that we win. That we at least get past 2. Okay. I forgot to do my intro. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages.
Plug your mic back in.
I'm gonna unplug my mic. Give me a second here, folks. Is it working?
Keep on talking.
Yeah. Okay. You sound clear now. You sound really clear.
All right. Cool.
Okay. Anyway, like I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your favorite random man, the king of YouTube, here with my homie, my main homie, Red. The Cold Train Bros are back, and it's insane. And dear God, I hope we get past 2. Red.
Yay, 2.
Yeah, that's how it's going with. Hit that button, bruh, cause I'm afraid.
Hey.
Oh Lord. Let's do this, man. Let's do this.
I'm Gucci. I got my Oreos. I got the base all the way up.
And I done ate my fish. I done ate pretty good. So I'm pretty much Gucci right now. So yeah. Ha. All right. We can do this. I believe in us. Ooh. Red, I just want you to know, you're the best friend I ever had.
Oh yeah.
This man is snacking on them Oreos.
Turn the volume down a little bit. There we go.
Hey, I can hear you clearly though. Cause last time we did this, you was coming through, but you was like really low.
Oh, well, we're Gucci now.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, hold up.
All right. Find the base.
Alright, I'll take right, you take left.
I got left. So are we buying the spikes now or later?
Well, it's not time for candy, but
Time for candy? What?
eh,
Candy?
now and later.
That's what you did there.
Hey. But,
So,
try the later.
Okay.
All
Alright,
right.
let's set up. Let's do our thing. Oh, okay, I'm scared. Hold on.
Time's up. They're
Give me a second.
Oh, let them know what modifiers we have on, because it's not anything too crazy.
Oh yeah, we got infinite ammo, and where the heck are they coming from?
Oh. Wow,
Center.
that was the strongest polyp I have ever seen.
We got. Oh no! Here it goes.
That polyp spiked me one time. And
Save the body.
Oh god. Like I said.
Save the body. Save no!
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
So, like we was trying to tell you all, we had infinite ammo and take 2. That's it. Infinite. I told you, matter of seconds, Red. Matter of seconds. No.
You said we will last around 5. I said possibly let's try to get to round 2.
Look, if we had super reload on, we had to worry about this. Now, would we?
That's too easy.
It's not too easy. This is not easy. We are insane. We need a little backup here.
We got ammo.
Ammo is not gonna help us with that, Red. We need super reload. See, I know you're trying to kill me. Trying to kill me. I thought we had a.
Need super reload.
You know what? You got me there. You got me there.
Hey.
Okay, watch that center area too. Yes, we are back, Kip. We are definitely back. Ray Song, you doing good over there. No, nope, I'm gone. Nope, Tigger, nope, I'm gone. Forget that.
Ow.
Hey, I know it did. My sis. Eat the juice. Yeah. Oh! No! Get away! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
It was worth it. I got you up in time. It made it worth it.
Fortify our position.
I will take that though. It was worth it,
Cold
bro.
train slap. Let's go.
Cold train slap. Cold train slap. Wait, yeah. Wait, hold on. Woo, wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, okay, no, wait. I'm buying these barbed wire. I ain't messing around. Nope.
Great. That's what I'm saying. We gotta do this now.
Wait, what? Man, don't judge us, man. Don't judge us, brother. The struggle's real.
Who's judging us?
Kim Poma.
Here we go.
Watch the center. Watch the center. Watch the center. Come in this center. Woo. Alright, let's go. Number bits. Let's go. Okay. I hear the tech. I was scared.
So it looks like we are going to be heavily fortifying this stuff.
Heavily is the word I would, like, more like overhaul is more of a word I would use. Red, I'll come on your side, which I'm kind of happy for right now. Doing a good job, Red. Do your best. Look, I mean it as look, I'm trying to inspire you, sir.
I'm not seeing it.
Oh no! Come on, baby, come on! Get up! Where they at? We are not going out there. Man, they really must love. Right, they love you, man.
Come get this body.
I ain't seeing no love.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Be careful what you wish for, man. Be careful what you wish for. Oh God.
Through the spike like it was butter.
Come on.
I killed him, but he walked through it with too much ease for my liking.
You wait. Can't worry. What are you? What kind of message are you sending me, bro? I'm not understanding what this message is about. Woo! I'm alive. Whoa. Come get this cold tray action. You ain't ready for it. Still think we need some reload, but that's just me. Get the juice.
My sis.
No. We're not coming through there. Oh my God, he got through there with ease! He got through there with ease!
They walking through it like it ain't nothing.
This is not the Walking Dead. Go away! Oh my God, I can't believe we actually won that. Yes, kill. What's with the emojis, bro? Why with the emojis?
Oh man. We need a test.
Woo, we did it. Can't get fast 5 though.
Spikes prepared.
Okay, hold on. I don't know how good this is gonna push up. Ah, I hit the wrong button! I hit the wrong button, bro. Oh no!
You're so fired.
I'm scared. Keep again. I forgot we don't got super reload. They got pizza roll up. Why the pizza roll sound kind of good right now? I'm just saying.
Don't get me hungry. This is Tom.
You are eating Oreos. You are okay.
Okay.
It's too quiet. I don't like that quietness. No. Go back. No solicitors. No. This is closed off. Go away. You're not welcome here. Alright, you might be hearing that a lot, so just be prepared. You are not welcome here. Woo! I really was.
Watch out.
We got a drudge. You are getting too close. Oh no! The body! Say the body that belongs to you! Follow! Ooh! Is that dress behind me? That dress get behind me. He ain't coming! God no! That guy threw! The spice is dead! Oh God, no!
Lord, we did. We did. That's it. It's over.
Ah! Wait, how your spice looking?
Heavy. Oh God.
I'm a coming!
Oh God.
I'm a coming!
Oh.
Where you go? He gone? I ain't never been. I'm a careful person when it comes to this game sometimes, but oh my God. Oh my God. What's that?
Terrence, is there a ticker in here?
Does it take a run? Oh, run!
Spike's destroyed!
Oh my God.
They're coming deep. They are coming balls deep.
Run, run, run. Oh God, run. Do something. We have to. Shit, they killing each other. My sis. Oh my God, Red. How are we going to survive this? They coming, bro.
We gonna do it.
Bring the beef. Bring it.
Alright. Just watch that side. I'm going.
Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Chicken's dead. Chicken's dead. Oh my God. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. How many tickers is there? Oh, there ain't no ticker.
Only one left!
Oh, kill. Yay! I did it.
And he's
Oh my God. Hold on, bro. Ah! Ow. That hurt. Okay. That was, yeah.
One more round to go.
Woo! We can do it!
Terrence, what's your channel? I can't find the channel. I forgot it.
It's true, it's yeah, I can't talk. It's the true KOG.
Okay. I was typing True King of Games.
Okay. Get those spice set up! Hurry up! Hurry!
Oh, they up. They up.
Right there, there's always gonna beat that bonus wave in a minute 45. We on the same. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Okay.
Got the mulch here.
Got the mulch. Okay, good. Got the mulch. You got the mulch.
Here we go again!
Dang, they coming simultaneously.
You walk through like butter.
Ah, die! You're not welcome here. Oh, Formers! No! Oh, that's holy no! You go away! You go away right now! Okay. Take her! See not. Oh Lord! See, now they're being smart about everything.
Mulcher is out, and Spike's destroyed. Up.
He on his knees. Crap! No, nigga, go away!
I'm going down.
No, Red, no! No! Oh my God! It hurts. It just hurts to watch this. Okay, let's try. Let's do it one more time. One more time. No, you put.
I'm finding it.
It's the true Kai. It's the true Kai. Did you put the E? No, it's TheTrukog. Are you sure you put that,
I
Riep?
was on the channels and on the people. Oh. That super reload sounded nice.
Yeah, someone would actually listen to. Crap, I ain't got no. Dang it, I ain't got enough for one of these things. Okay, I have an idea.
Right.
This.
Bump this.
What you do with super reloads, but no.
Yeah.
What you just buy? Sweet
Turret.
Jesus. Yes, that's a great idea, Red. Thank you. Told you super reload was something good, but no. It's too easy, he said.
I'm a thug.
But hey, stop thug walking in. We ain't saying both of our lives.
I should do that. You know what?
You know what? No, Red, no, I was joking. Don't you do it. Don't you. It's not the time for that.
Thug walk.
No! Nigga, fall! Fall down on the body! Run, Red, run! I'm scared, I don't know. What's going on? Go away! Why is he walking through there like it's Swiss cheese?
Is that a drudge? I hear a drudge.
I hear a ticker.
They on the inside. They on the inside.
No more than that.
Oh, got a drudge.
I got a drone. See that smoke, I love it. No, I will go out there. I'm not that brave right now. We in trouble. Spike's gone. Spike's is gone. How are you hitting me? Tickers! Dip, run, dip! He did not dip fast enough. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm a coming.
He gonna stop on me.
He gonna live, he gonna live. We can't get to 5. I just want to get to 5.
At least we got the 2.
Yes, we did too. We are amazing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna
a
new plan.
new plan, cause the old plan was not working. I mean, we got. I mean, you know.
Don't put that on YouTube.
You know what? We're gonna stop. We're gonna take a quick pause for the calls on this one, and we be right back.